Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. What's good, y'all? It's your boy JRE from the YouTube channel JREKML. We got 82MAJOR, man. 82MAJOR trophy. They be hitting bangers after bangers, bro. I don't know what to expect from this, actually. This came out recently. Alright, y'all. Well, without further ado, be sure to check out the Patreon. Link in the description down below. I do Twitch live streams here and there. Be sure to check that out. Link in the description. I got the Discord. It's a great community. Link in the description. Check the links in the description. It's not that hard. Alright, y'all. Without further ado, 82MAJOR trophy. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bow. Oh, you got the trophy. Whoa, zoom in.
24/7, I gotta be peace out. You're the bone of diarrhea, so shikes out. All eyes on me, gon' mean that it doesn't mong down now. Start to believe.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Like that switch up. Hey. Ooh. Trophy. Trophy. Check my trophy. Hey, give them all the awards. Whoa. Damn, they got that. Ooh, I love their outfits so far. They look so good. Hope that's faux fur. I'm pretty sure that is. Who gonna stop them? What the hell? We on Cray. It's been a while since I heard that. Ooh. I love the puffy hat. I want one. Woo. Jumper. Ooh, wait, did he have a fang? Like a golden fang? Yeah. Ooh. Trophy. Check my trophy. Hey. Ooh. Here we go. Lift my trophy. They flexing. Manifesting. Damn, them big old chains. Not too heavy for y'all necks? Might be too heavy. That neck muscle must be like. Whoa, the visuals. Ooh, oh. Somewhere in a bathrobe? What the hell? Oh, okay, baggy clothes. Versace, I bet too. Or is it Versace? Ooh. Nasty. That was fire. And they dancing on top of a trophy. They be gonna get trophies. What the hell did I say? They gonna get trophies. Bro, I couldn't even speak after that. Woogie Kim, director, let's get it, let's go. 82MAJOR, everybody. Great M Entertainment. Put a comment down below what you guys think of 82MAJOR trophy. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If I dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.